So does your mirror look all busted up where you can't even see anything like this? Well, I got a solution for you, and it's pretty cheap. You don't have to go to a dealership. You don't have to go to an auto repair shop. All you got to do is to eBay, Amazon, or some other place and find yourself another mirror. So I got this one off eBay for $14.99. Got it in 2 days free shipping. So we'll work on replacing it. So this method pretty much works on every BMW. The only tool you need is yourself. All right, so all you gotta do is put your hand in here. Actually push it up so it gets a little more leverage. Put your hands right here, or the biggest area you've got. You can use a pry tool, but I just use my fingers. And just go ahead and pop it out. There, you'll see that wire. Some of the other new BMWs you just have 2 wires that plug in. And this one's older style with multiple connections. My apologies as I'm trying to do this one-handed. So you remove the clip. Remove the wires. Get your new, used, or replacement mirror. Slide the connector in. Align it to the harness connection point here. Once you get it snapped in place, go ahead and put it up to align your these little clips into the ones in the mirror. And just go ahead and give it a firm push. You should hear a couple of clicks. That's it, you're good to go. And now you got a replacement mirror. Hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully having 2 hands will make things a lot easier for you than myself with one. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Come back for more DIY repairs.